Presenting a pre-owned 2020 Chevrolet Equinox LT. This four-door SUV has a four-cylinder, 1.5-liter i4 engine with front-wheel drive and a six-speed shiftable O transmission. This Chevrolet has less than 90,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 26 miles per gallon in the city and 31 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, smartphone integration, wireless data link, power windows, rear privacy glass, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.